Create a 10 minutes video for YouTube about the ultimate driving machines, exploring the world of luxury cars. Luxury cars have always been synonymous with prestige, innovation, and outstanding performance. These vehicles not only provide a superior driving experience, but also stand as a status symbol for the affluent. From the finely crafted interiors to the cutting-edge technologies, every aspect of a luxury car is meticulously designed to offer unmatched comfort, power, and elegance. In this article, we will delve into the world of luxury cars, exploring their defining features, top brands, and the latest trends that are shaping the future of these extraordinary machines. A luxury car is not simply a mode of transportation. It's a statement. The key elements that define a luxury car include 1. Performance. At the heart of every luxury car is a powerful engine. Whether it's a V8, V12, or even an electric motor, luxury cars are engineered for maximum power and performance. These cars offer quick acceleration, high top speeds, and exceptional handling that make them a joy to drive. 2. Advanced technology. Luxury vehicles are equipped with the latest in automotive technology. From self-parking systems to adaptive cruise control, autonomous driving capabilities, and infotainment systems that offer seamless smartphone integration, these cars represent the cutting edge of innovation. 3. Interior comfort and materials. The interiors of luxury cars are designed for maximum comfort and style. Hand-stitched leather seats, polished wood, carbon fiber, and premium materials create an environment that exudes sophistication. Advanced seating options, such as heating, ventilation, and massaging functions, add an extra layer of relaxation. 4. Customization. Luxury cars often offer bespoke options. Buyers can customize almost every aspect of their vehicle, from the interior finishes to the exterior paint color, making each car a unique expression of the owner's personality. The luxury car market is home to several renowned brands, each known for their exceptional craftsmanship and cutting-edge innovation. Here are some of the top brands that dominate the luxury car market. 1. Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is the epitome of luxury and craftsmanship. The Rolls-Royce Phantom and Cullinan are considered the pinnacle of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking design with exceptional performance. Rolls-Royce offers a bespoke experience that allows customers to personalize every detail of their vehicle, making each one truly unique. 2. Bentley. Bentley is synonymous with both luxury and performance. The Bentley Continental GT and Flying Spur feature powerful WN12 engines, providing an exhilarating driving experience, while the luxurious interiors are crafted using premium leather and fine woods. These cars are designed for those who seek comfort and high performance in equal measure. 3. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is a brand that blends comfort, performance, and innovation. The S-Class has long been regarded as one of the best luxury sedans, offering cutting-edge features like active body control, driver assistance systems, and advanced infotainment. For those seeking a more performance-oriented luxury car, the AMG GT offers an exhilarating driving experience with precision handling and power. 4. Porsche. Known for its commitment to performance, Porsche is a leader in the luxury sports car market. The Porsche 911 is an iconic model that combines luxury with exceptional handling and performance. The Porsche Taycan, Porsche's first electric sports sedan, represents the future of luxury performance, offering a zero-emissions alternative without sacrificing speed or handling. 5. Aston Martin. Aston Martin is a British brand known for creating luxury sports cars. The Aston Martin DB11 combines a V8 or V12 engine with elegant design and luxurious features, offering both performance and style. Aston Martin's cars are perfect for those who appreciate both refinement and thrill. 6. Tesla. Tesla has revolutionized the luxury car market with its electric vehicles. The Tesla Model S Plaid offers unmatched acceleration and high performance while being environmentally friendly. Tesla vehicles are equipped with the latest in autonomous driving and innovative tech features, making them the future of luxury. The features that set luxury cars apart. 1. Engine performance. The heart of a luxury car lies in its engine. These cars often come equipped with powerful engines that offer quick acceleration and high-speed stability. For example, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class features a V8 engine, while the Tesla Model S Plaid boasts 3 electric motors capable of going from 0 to 60 mph in less than 2 seconds. The Ferrari 488 GTB, with its V8 engine, is another example of a luxury car with incredible performance. 2. Adaptive suspension systems. Many luxury cars are equipped with adaptive suspension systems that adjust to different road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the terrain. This system helps absorb shocks from rough roads and provides better handling during high-speed cornering. 3. Autonomous driving capabilities. Many luxury cars are now incorporating self-driving technology. Tesla's Autopilot and Mercedes-Benz Drive Pilot are examples of systems that allow for hands-free driving in certain conditions, making long trips more relaxing and safe. 4. Premium materials and interiors. The interiors of luxury cars are crafted with the finest materials. The Rolls-Royce Phantom, for example, features hand-stitched leather seats, real wood trim, and customizable designs, creating an unparalleled level of comfort and elegance. 5. Advanced infotainment systems. Luxury cars come equipped with state-of-the-art infotainment systems that provide navigation, entertainment, smartphone integration, and voice-activated controls. Brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW feature user-friendly systems with high-resolution displays and seamless connectivity. Driving a luxury car is an experience that transcends mere transportation. These cars offer 1. Exhilarating acceleration. Whether it's the Porsche 911 Turbo or the Tesla Model S, the acceleration provided by luxury cars is unmatched. These cars offer instant torque, which means that the vehicle can go from 0 to 60 mph in just a few seconds. 2. Sculpted handling. Luxury cars are designed to offer precise handling. With advanced suspension systems and aerodynamics, they handle curves and turns with exceptional stability and grip, making driving a true pleasure. 3. Silent, smooth ride. The cabins of luxury cars are designed to be quiet and serene. The soundproofing in these cars eliminates road noise, allowing you to enjoy the ride without any distractions. Brands like Rolls-Royce and Mercedes-Benz go the extra mile to ensure that every drive is as quiet and comfortable as possible. 4. Comfortable interiors. Every aspect of a luxury car is crafted with comfort in mind. From massaging seats to adjustable climate control and advanced noise-canceling systems, every detail contributes to a luxurious driving experience. The future of luxury cars. The future of luxury cars is rapidly evolving with the introduction of electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and sustainable materials. The demand for eco-friendly luxury is growing, and automakers are responding with electric models like the Tesla Model S and Porsche Taycan. We can also expect fully autonomous luxury vehicles in the near future, making long drives even more relaxing and enjoyable. Upcoming trends in luxury cars. 1. Electric luxury vehicles. As sustainability becomes more important, more luxury brands are focusing on creating electric vehicles that offer both performance and eco-friendliness. The Porsche Taycan and Tesla Model S are leaders in this category, offering remarkable performance with zero emissions. 2. Autonomous technology. Self-driving technology will continue to evolve in the luxury car sector, allowing for more hands-free driving features. These advancements will not only enhance safety, but will also make driving more convenient and enjoyable. 3. Sustainable materials. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, luxury car makers are incorporating sustainable materials like recycled fabrics, eco-friendly leathers, and biodegradable components into their designs, creating a new wave of green luxury. References. 1. Rolls-Royce, the pinnacle of luxury. https www.rollsroycemotorcars.com. 2. Porsche, precision and performance. https www.porsche.com. E3. Tesla, the future of electric luxury. https www.tesla.com. The ultimate driving machines, exploring the world of luxury cars.